So hooking on the weight transfer sled now, we'll see Brutus at Mundonk, all the way up from Reparoa. Been a keen competitor here for a great number of years on the weight transfer sled. Brutus was originally an International 786. He's replaced the engine with a Echo motor out of its S-Line International. Large injector pump, large turbo. The injector pump's running 13mm plungers in there, so that's so we've got Tomo on the sled down there in the Bradfield's Case Puma 225, and he's just calibrating the sled for us, just working through the calibration, so that once we get it set, then it'll stay there for the rest of the field.
Going to be that he's not going to develop that same power hop problem, and he's going to come, look at it, he's got the tractor underway, he's certainly, oh look what's happened down here, perhaps it's not all over for Bill yet. His prayer's been answered. The big fin, what's happened to the big fin? What do you know, 58 seconds. Oh well, somebody's been looking after you, Bill. Talk about dramatic. Don't know what's happened. Perhaps Basil's got something to say. Oh, it's slacking off, Bill, in case something breaks within the tractor. You don't have to panic just yet. Slow it down. He's looked behind. He can't believe it. He can't believe it. Well, there you are. That's what you get for being a competitor that comes back every year for about 30 years. Luck's got to be on your side sometime. Well done, Bill Raymer. And finally, the big fence got underway. Talk about your prayers being answered in tractor pull competition.
I think Bill should be calling in on the way home and buying himself a lotto ticket.
Yeah. He's going to be thinking about what he has to do to get rid of that problem with the Massey Ferguson though. The big fin. Well, still got a chance though. His time's over 62 seconds. He doesn't need to give up yet because we've got to combine the two times. It's a knockout.
Well, Basil will be very happy. He's just got one more race to start after this. This is the last of the heats here in the weight-adjusted competition. We've run through 18 today, so that's been 36 competitors. We've got David van der Berken on the Chinese 6430. He's across there in lane number 3. Matthew Gaze on the Case Puma 155, 143 kilowatts, but it looks as though the John Deere's gone out to a substantial lead across there. Don't know what the difference is, but certainly he's got some best part of 5 or 6 tractor lengths. I think it might be one of Tomo's mates that's driving the Bradfield's Case 155 weight transfer. Here we are. Ooh. Just to confirm that it's 5.5 to 7 tonne tomorrow for the weight transfer.